If you're having a problem with your rear AC not even turning on or blowing in your Escalade, Tahoe, Suburban, this could be your issue right here. It's called a rear blower motor resistor, and I'm going to show you guys how to access that. I also don't know what part number because I keep ordering the wrong part. So would be nice if anybody knew that part number. Please comment it, let me know. 2002 Escalade has rear AC, but it won't even turn on, won't even blow. So to access this rear blower motor resistor, you're gonna have to go to your passenger side. You're gonna have to remove this trim piece right here first. So you're gonna stick your fingers in there, pop it out, but it's not gonna be able to come off because obviously the seat's in the way. And also there is a bolt holding it in right there. So you're gonna have to get a ratchet. I believe it's a 7mm. Once the screw is out, you can go ahead and remove that trim piece. And then in the back, you're going to remove the one on the ceiling in order to take out this piece that holds the rear lock button as well as the rear reverse sensor speaker. Be careful, 2 wires go into that. Don't rip those. And then the bottom piece, you can just pop that one up. And then you can reach your hand up under this piece that covers the rear HVAC system and start popping that out. Be careful because there is a cigarette lighter right there. Don't rip that wire. You do have 2 things holding this in. That's a screw. And then you have a trim piece. You just get a removal tool, pop that out. The bottom part comes off really, really easy. But like I said before, make sure you unplug the cigarette lighter and don't rip that all apart. Just be careful. Keep looking back there if you can. Make sure you're not pulling anything extra out. So the HVAC system for the back or the rear of the car is under this piece. You got a blower motor resistor that sits right here, has 2 screws holding it in, and 2 plugs. There's like a heater core inside of this thing, and even your AC lines come to the back into here. You got 2 blend door actuators, so if you can't change from hot to cold, that's going to be your issue. That's only for the rear, though. This is the stock one with the purple wire. This is the aftermarket one with the red wire. But I'm having this issue where I can't find the exact blower motor resistor for the rear that I need. As you can see, this one was a cheap one, and then this was the stock one. You can tell the metal's completely different. The inside's even different. The one with the red wire is for a Jeep apparently, so the plug isn't even the right plug that I need. I had ordered one that said it was for a 2002 Escalade, but it didn't even look the same, and the prongs on the side didn't even match up, so I couldn't even screw it in, and they were angled kind of. There's a lot of different looking blower motor resistors for the rear, so I guess I have to look for it and find it. This is the old one, but if anybody knows which one you need for a 2002 Escalade or where I can find one that looks like the one with the purple wire, please comment. Let me know. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching.